Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. In today's video, we're going to be outfitting the Ducati Streetfighter V4S with a few mods from Ducabike to just give it a little bit more personality. We're going to be throwing on some new clutch and brake reservoir covers and rear brake reservoir covers. Really small components you can get at MotovationUSA.com, and it's going to make a huge difference on how the bike looks. Going to give it its own personality. Fairly straightforward to do. Anyone could do this. Starting off, we're going to throw on the brake reservoir cap by Ducabike. In this particular case, I have the gold finish just to kind of tie in with the Olins. That's the general look I'm going for. The next step, clutch reservoir cap, which of course that one's a twist on. Amazing quality. And then lastly, we're gonna put on the cap for the rear brake reservoir. Again, smaller components, it makes a huge difference, and it gives your bike that personality and differentiate it when you hit up that bike meet. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotivationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.